you guys got a misfire, you have to check out this tool. It's awesome. All right, the tool we're checking out is this guy here. What this is going to let you do is actually test your coils and see if the misfire is coming from the coil or the spark plug. Now, it's not necessarily going to give you the exact answer, but check out how this works. So I'm going to take this guy, I'm just going to turn it on. We're going to come over here and find my coil and touch it to it. Hopefully you can hear it. See, and just like that, we're able to see that that coil is firing. Now, if I had a misfire, my next step would go, all right, we got ourselves a spark plug. Super, super cool tool. Find these guys on Amazon. It's going to help you a lot.